G'day guys, I'm Jacob here from Airbag Man. We're here at the SEMA Show 2019. What an awesome show this is. We've had a lot of traffic come through. You don't want to come to a show and have no one turn up, so really good crowd. We get to showcase our full range of air suspension products. And we've got our leaf helper kits, coil helper kits, onboard air control systems here. We've got the full range here on display, so it's good to showcase what we do here as Airbag Man as a company to the US market. And we also get to support our dealers that come and say g'day as well. This is an epic show. It's massive. What it means for Airbag Man to be here at the show, it's awesome. Like, we get to showcase all the products that we work really hard on to develop, make awesome systems for people to use. They can have tyre inflation, they can operate the airbags nicely with the controls. All the work we put into the products to bring it to the US market, that's just awesome. Makes us feel pretty excited because everyone that comes to the stand, they're loving the products that we're developing, which is a good thing. Love to be here. It means a lot to bring a family business from Australia here to the US and everyone can see it.